So if a CEO was listening today and recognizes some of these challenges that we've spoken about, but still feels stuck, what's the first sport-inspired move they should make on a Monday morning, do you think?
Oh, so yeah, simplicity, clarity over complexity. Um, yeah, every day. That comes back to everybody knowing what the plan is, what the goals are, what their role within that is. Um, and not a big 50-page pitch, really simple. Everybody knows what it is. If they can't repeat it back to you in, 20, 30 seconds, then you need to go back and redraft your plan. Keeping that really, really simple. Leaders as well, that leadership group piece we talked about, really, really valuable. Leaders are made and developed. No one's born a leader. You get to experience it and you build on it, and that should be encouraged. We've loads and loads of leaders and heroic captains amongst our workforces. Yeah, and they just need to be given the opportunity to develop them. I think the third thing, I mentioned it a few times, is that reviewing, just short feedback loop, reviewing every Monday. This is what I would say to a CEO if they're firefighting at the moment. Monday morning, grab your senior leadership team, pull them into a room for an hour, no slides, no pitches, and 3 questions. What's working well? Okay. Double down on it, make it even better, carry on, just double down, crack on with it. Question number 2, what's not working? And, no messing around, just facts, no blaming, no excuses, just what's not working, list it down, identify it, nail it. And then the third one is, what are we going to do about the 2 previous answers in the next 90 days? What's going to be our actionable commitment in the next 90 days to, doubling down on what we're doing good and fixing or eliminating what's not working. That's what I would be suggesting.
And also
Absolutely.
on that, Hugh, I'd say like on that meeting, you dive straight into it first thing on a Monday morning, like a cold plunge pool to get it out of the way. It's the first way
Well,
to get your working week
this is it.
started. Yeah.
Tying back to the sports world, Fitz, you come in after your match at the weekend and you're sitting down, you're doing a review, you're doing an analysis on a Monday morning, video review of everything, what went, the good, the bad, the nasty, the whole lot, nowhere to hide. And that's just the mode. That's the mindset that elite sports people are in. And there's absolutely that can be transitioned into business. And that's the form it takes. It takes a every Monday morning, a review what's happened in the previous week, or the 2-3 key projects. So like from next Monday, we'll have identified point 1, point 2, and we've got our action plan as to the 90 days. So the next Monday meeting is how we performing against that plan. What's working, what's not working, and it's iterative, and you keep going from there and there and there. But yeah, 100% that's transferable from sports. So they're the things that I would say. Simplicity, getting everybody on the same plan. Those leadership groups to take the burden away and empower people to help you get to plan, and that regular review of being able to adapt and refine, rinse, repeat.